Hey guys, it's Josh Pride, the real estate guy here in Sanford, Florida. Doing our last Saturday property tour of the year, getting some shout outs. We just walked the property and we're getting repair costs right now. We're looking at the roof, we're looking at the air conditioner, we're looking at everything that we need to look at. We're looking obviously the awesome flooring, the paint, the walls, the electrical. We're looking at everything. This is listed as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath property on county records. Here, we're sitting here walking, we see 3-bedroom, 2-bath. They've converted a 1-car garage to a shotgun kind of bedroom here. So we got to figure out what's going to be the most cost-efficient way and what's going to be the best return of our money to if we are going to flip this property. But again, let me take you all through it on a quick walkthrough. You can see the master. Lighting, flooring, walls. We got his and her closets. Small little bathroom there. Got a little breakfast nook. Check that out right there. We got a nice little kitchen that we're gonna have to gut and redo.
Right.
We got our bathroom here. Update that. Bedroom number 2.
What is your opinion?
Bedroom number 3. You can see these teammates right here working together, figuring out exactly what needs to be done in this property. This is the strange one right here, because we want to make sure what to do with this. This is the one-car garage that was converted. That's the garage door. They put up a makeshift closet right here. You can see that right there, makeshift closet to make it a bedroom.
But the problem is.
So again, is that a $10,000 bedroom or a $5,000 garage?
Oh, sorry.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Josh Pride, the real estate guy, here with our very last property tour of 2018. Super excited to set up 2019. If you want to become a real estate investor in 2019 or somewhere you consider becoming a real estate investor, come to a Wednesday night meeting, introduce yourselves, meet the team, come to a property tour, come to a workshop. We have business builder meetings. We have something going on every single Saturday of the month. We have something going on every single Wednesday of the month. So come check us out. Josh Pride, real estate guy, signing out for the last time of the year. See y'all soon.